Hey hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all 3 snack recipes using potatoes. All the 3 recipes are really very easy to make. Mexican chili potato. So for that we require boiled, peeled and chopped potatoes. I've cut them into cubes. We require oil, butter, salt, chili flakes. This is black pepper powder and Mexican seasoning. So in a kadai, we'll first heat it and then add oil. For deep frying the potatoes, so add the oil accordingly. Once the oil is hot, we'll start adding the potatoes. Add them very carefully and one by one because the oil is hot, and then deep fry them till they become nice golden brown in color. The potatoes are cooked, so we just require the upper crust to become nice golden brown. So on a high flame, we are going to keep turning the potatoes and nicely deep fry them. Now we'll remove the potatoes once they are done. Make sure they don't burn. So this is how the potatoes look. Now in a frying pan, I'll add some butter and oil so that the butter does not burn. Then I'll add the Mexican seasoning, black pepper powder and chili flakes. A little salt as per taste, and then mix everything well. In go our fried potatoes. Mix and toss everything well so that each potato gets coated with the spices. And it's ready. I'll top it with some butter. And the Mexican chili potatoes are ready to be served. Spinach baby potato snack. This delicious snack recipe. For that we require baby potatoes. These are peeled and boiled baby potatoes. Spinach, cooked spinach. Sweet corn, these are also cooked. Coriander leaves, olive oil, salt, basil, chili flakes, onion, garlic mayonnaise and garlic powder. So first I will switch on the flame and heat a pan. I am using a frying pan. Once it's hot enough, I will add olive oil to it. About 3 teaspoons of olive oil and onion. 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and mix it well. Once the onion has become translucent, I will add garlic powder to it. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt, about half teaspoon. Mix well and let it cook. Then to this I will add garlic mayonnaise. You may use normal eggless mayonnaise if you want to. 3 tablespoons of garlic mayonnaise. Combine it well on medium-low flame. I will add some water so that it combines well and mix it again on high flame. I will add the baby potatoes now. These are boiled and cooked baby potatoes. I have also boiled the spinach and then chopped it. It's cooked thoroughly. Mix it well. Let the potatoes get coated with the mayonnaise and then add chili flakes. These are as per taste. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon basil, half teaspoon, and mix it well. To this I will add boiled sweet corn, 1 tablespoon of boiled sweet corn. Mix well and add coriander leaves. You may add parsley. Mix it well and switch off the flame. It's ready. So this is how our spinach baby potato snack is ready. Patatas bravas. Ingredients that we require are potatoes. I have boiled the potatoes, peeled them and chopped them into cubes. Then this is finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes. This is tomato ketchup. You may use tomato sauce, finely chopped garlic, coriander leaves, red chili powder and salt as per taste. So these are the only ingredients that we require. We'll fry our potatoes. The oil should be hot because as I said, the potatoes, I have used boiled potatoes. And now this is the last batch that I am frying. I have already boiled the potatoes. So now the potatoes are done. We just have to fry them till they become golden brown in color. They are already cooked. So yes, once they get the crispy golden brown color, remove them. So this is how our fried potatoes are ready. Starting off by heating olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is little hot, we'll add our finely chopped garlic. And then saute for about 2 minutes. Yes. So now, after 2 minutes, we'll add finely chopped onions and mix it. Let the onions cook thoroughly. We'll cover it with the lid for about a minute on high flame. Now I'll open the lid. Mix it. And they have changed their color a little. They have become brown in color, very light. So this is the right stage for adding the tomatoes. I finely chop them. Then mix it well and let it become very fine and smooth in texture. Again we'll cover it with a lid and let them cook thoroughly because we want to be very fine in consistency and the texture. We want it smooth in texture and very fine, so let it cook thoroughly. Now after about 3 to 4 minutes, I'll open the lid and mix it. And again cover it with the lid. I'll add some water to this, very little. And then again mix it well and cover it with the lid till it becomes fine and smooth in texture. Now as you can see, it has cooked thoroughly. I'll just mash it a little so that it becomes more fine. Now we'll mix it well and we'll add our tomato ketchup or tomato sauce and salt as per taste. Not much because our tomato ketchup already contains salt. Mix it well. I will add red chili powder as per taste and little coriander leaves. Mix it well, and then I will add the potatoes, deep fried potatoes. I have actually used 4 to 5 small sized potatoes, so I have added those also, and then let the potatoes get coated nicely and let them become hot, and the recipe is ready.
And this is how our 3 easy potato snack recipes are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.